Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
China's EVE Energy Co. will support BMW with large cylindrical batteries for its electric cars in Europe, two people with knowledge of the matter said, as the German automaker follows Tesla in adopting the new technology. European shares slid and bond yields rallied after a sharp rise in UK inflation brought the spotlight back to more monetary tightening, amid data which showed Eurozone economic growth was slightly less robust in the second quarter. During the Ethereum merge, the crypto exchange Coinbase will temporarily pause deposits and withdrawals of ETH and ERC20 tokens as a precaution.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Austrian HICP at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's employment change at 0130 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.